we adopt integrated teaching. What do you mean by integrated teaching? We take one object and try to teach all the subjects through this object. For example, you have an apple. You all have seen an apple. A for apple. We have been learning it right from nursery days. If you again I say A for apple, it's wrong. It's not A for apple. It's A. A for apple. We learn alphabet but we use sounds. We do not use alphabet. Nowadays they had teaching phonetics in the nursery class and gets easy to those people who learn English. Whereas we all have learnt alphabet and now we have been using sounds. So English seems to be tricky. English seems difficult. It seems funny. If you learn the phonics or if you learn the sounds, it's very easy to learn English. Now coming to the point, if we take an apple, we can learn English from it. Apple is dash in color. What is the color of this apple? It is red in color. And now we can teach about shape also. What is the shape of this apple? It's round. It's looking round. And what is the spelling of apple? Look here. What is the spelling of apple? A P P L E. Apple. Like this, we can teach children about the color, shape, and spelling also. We will enhance our English language skills through this activity. And it comes to the science part of it. You want to learn science through it, you start describing the healthy benefits of the apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away because eating an apple every day keeps you healthy. You will not get sick. You will get only essential nutrients and you will stay healthy. Do you know the seeds of the apple are quite poisonous? You are not supposed to eat seeds. You must have heard from your elders or your parents, people who know saying that do not eat the seeds of the apple because it contains substance which will produce cyanide in your body and cyanide is poisonous. Do not imagine taking one or two seeds are poisonous to our body. 150 seeds of apple is essential to a little bit poisonous. You must be knowing all these facts that it contains a substance which produces cyanide in the human body. That's why apple seeds are dangerous to our body. You are not supposed to consume. But apple substance is very healthy. Now it comes to the mathematics part of it. You cut an apple into 4 pieces. There are 4 equal halves. You try to learn fractions and decimals. One piece of apple is 1/4 part of apple. It is only 0.25 or 25% of the whole fraction or 25% of the apple. You start learning your fractions and decimals at elementary level. And also you can learn the geography of an apple. Apple is generally grown in winter season in cold places in India. Generally in Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, apple is grown. So whereas you learn the social studies part of it. Like this, we can teach children with an apple, we can teach 4 subjects: English, mathematics, general science, and geography also. This is called integrated teaching. Thank you.